So the first picture is the Kalkbreite. Actually, it's really in the order of the first question, which hangs there. And funny enough, it was there the question after the production of architecture. And so here it was really for us, or what is one of the main goals here is actually what you cannot see on the picture. It's inside the building. It's actually that we here could transform the ideas of our client, the cooperative, into space. And the whole programming was actually the architecture and not just the image, which I really like for this discussion. The second is a building which from 2001 from Bünzli-Gurvasee. It's when we started our office, 2001. And it was for us very inspiring because it had this combination. Normally we learned at school that you need a concept and you have one structure, and with this you make your house or your architecture. And here actually was the first that I have seen in Switzerland that combined two spatial concepts, the Raumplan by Loos and the Unité in one building, which was really inspiring for us. Beside this, it would be a book, which I could not present here, but it's The Complexity and Contradiction by Robert Venturi. This, together with this, was like our starting point for our office. And then the third point is a picture I made myself, and it has also a biographical reason because my father worked here, he was an engineer, and it's also not what you can see actually here, because the dam was already built, but he built everything which is inside the mountain and inside the dam, the connection, the caverns, the space where they produce actually the power for our cities. And so for me it's also an image about the hidden, what is hidden by the lake, which came afterwards, the hidden nature, but also the spaces which exist inside the dam, which is also had very impact for me. So that was then my question I asked for this, or I would like to ask for all the contributors here, is actually the biography references. Is it the first office you worked? Is it the teacher you studied? Because we have the free schools now, let's say. We all were more or less in one of these free schools. And for this it would be the third book. The third book I would trying to recommend to you, it's the Texas Rangers, where it's shown the whole history of the connection of all the professors which worked somewhere else, came together because they know each other, and the whole mapping of the production of education of architecture. So I promised my colleague Markus Lüscher to be a bit faster, so you have 2 minutes more.